What is up, Sherwood High School? This is your favorite principal, Coach Lake. I am so glad to have you back from the summertime. Hope we all made it back safe and sound and we're all ready to learn. Today we are going to talk about how we're going to change how we talk to each other this year. Okay, we are all people, and we don't need to be defined by some uncontrollable factors that some of us may have in our life. Our goal is to use people-first language. Okay, I want our entire student body to take ownership of this, and I want you to take pride in changing the way we treat everyone and how we talk about everyone. We are a school family. Families aren't always friends. We don't always have to get along, but we're still a family. So that means one thing to me in my eyes, and that's respect. We must always respect each other. What is people-first language? Well, we will address others as people first before labeling them by their height, weight, color, disability, wealth, religion, or any other label that you can think of. Okay? We are all people before anything. We are all people who have certain interests, certain hobbies, certain things we're good at. Okay? And that's the most important thing to talk about people, as people first, not by whatever label society has given them. This isn't a move to be politically correct. This is a change to be respectful to the people in our family here at Sherwood High School. Coach Lake, can you give us some examples, please? I'm still lost. Absolutely. You know I'm here for you guys all the time. Instead of saying the fat kid in third hour weights, say the kid who is working hard to lose weight in third hour weights class. Instead of saying the blind boy, say the boy who is visually impaired. Instead of saying the tiny girl who plays basketball, say the girl who plays basketball who's a little shorter than the rest. Instead of saying the Down syndrome kid who manages for the football team, say the football manager who has been diagnosed with Down syndrome. Do we understand how I address the person before I address the certain condition that is uncontrollable that somebody could label them as? Okay? This culture change that I want to happen this year, it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take time. We're all going to have to work on it. Our staff is also changing to use this different type of language this year in the building. Continue to practice and be aware of the language that you use and how it could possibly hurt other people. Remember that we are all people first. We all have feelings, we all have hobbies, we all have interests, etc. Things we're good at, things we're bad at. Okay? But most importantly, we are a family and we need to start acting like it. So we're going to respect each other and we're going to change the way we talk about and to each other. And remember, we are all people first.